not just a drive-through, it's a drive-through. 2 colossal donuts, 1 motorcycle, 0 regrets. Welcome to the Donut Hole in La Puente, California. A drive-through bakery you actually drive through. Built in 1968, it's a Southern California landmark, and maybe the most literal name in pastry history.
Can I get an assorted dozen? And then, how about if we do the one with the strawberries? Let's do that one. Okay, cool, thank you.
They sell fresh donuts daily. Cake, glazed, maple bars, whatever your sugar demon desires.
Yeah.
All right. The donut hole. I've been wanting to try these donuts for a really long time. I got an assorted dozen. I figured I'd just go simple. So we have a jelly.
Go away. It's my last one. It's a jelly.
Coconut, glazed, old-fashioned. We have a chocolate cover. We have a chocolate bar. We have a maple bar. Another old-fashioned over here. Got a crumble. And then a white frosting sprinkle. But the one thing I asked her, I said, what is the signature dish? What is the signature donut that everyone loves? She said it was this one. So I got this strawberry glazed, cream-filled thing. And I'm just going to do a little try test of like some of these traditional things. So like for instance, let's start with this old-fashioned. We'll just do a little piece of this. See how this is. Okay, so what I like about it, the cake itself is not too sweet. The sweet comes from the frosting that they put on it, and I really like that. I really prefer, I don't like it to be like a ultra sugary, sweet fest. I like the fact that the cake is sweet, but it's not ultra sweet, and then it's got the frosting on it. That was a good donut. Now, I normally am like a huge chocolate bar fan. That's my jam, so I gotta take one bite of a chocolate bar. Okay, so again, this is a positive. Just like the old-fashioned here, the donut itself isn't ultra sweet. The sweet comes mostly from the chocolate frosting, so I like that. That's my jam. Yeah, it's a good donut. All right, I'm going to take one bite of Devil's Food chocolate with nuts. Good. The Devil's Food isn't overwhelming. I really like that the cake on these donuts isn't overwhelming and that they rely on the frosting for the sugar push. You know what I mean? Okay, we gotta go in for the signature dish. The signature donut. This is the one that she said everybody loves.
Don't you dare.
Oh, and I love me a nice piece of fruit. Oh, okay, I'm gonna get it messy. This thing is messy. Alright? Yeah, they just stuffed strawberries in there. That's yummy. Okay, that rocks. That rocks. That is strawberry shortcake right there. Oh, that's fantastic. Look at that little sprinkle bonus on it. Sorry, Bumblebee, you cannot have any of my donuts. That bite did not have any strawberry in it. It's still really good. The cream, it's good cream. This glaze that's on top is really yummy. I pardon the mess, but it is a food eating show, so you're gonna have to just deal with that. Really good donut. Really, really good donut. I'm gonna finish this one. This is not one that anybody else gets a bite of. Oh no, the fire or something. I hope everybody's okay. Good luck, guys. Fire Station 26 on the move. The fresh strawberries really make this. They use some really, really tasty strawberries. They were perfect. They were like perfectly in season. Really good. I'm just really sad that there's not another strawberry in here. Don't get me wrong, the rest of this donut's nice and tasty. I really enjoyed those strawberries though. This glaze is just melting all over my hands. I'm sitting in the sun. Okay. I did it. I'm stuffed. Okay, that donut was fantastic. I'm really glad I saved it for last. One thing I can say about these donuts is that they're very good quality. Like I was saying before, the cake is a very good quality cake. It's a nice base. Before they start putting sugar toppings on top of it, they have a really nice solid base of a really nice cake donut. And then, all their toppings or their accoutrements are all very, very tasty. Very, very traditional for donut shops. So, good job. They did a great job. And that signature strawberry thing was amazing. That strawberry shortcake, I think it's fantastic. Definitely worth the trip to drive through a giant donut and eat some donuts in that parking lot. The donut hole, a sugary tunnel to gluttony. But that's a section of hell I don't mind visiting every once in a while. Gear up, ride safe, but never ride hungry. Thanks for watching, everybody.